Welcome to my channel. How to use, when to use may, might and must. May and might. We use may or might with the same meaning. May and might. But may is more formal than might. Asking for permission. May I use your pen? May I go out? May I write on the board? Asking for permission. May I come in? May we go out of the classroom? How to answer? May I come in? Yes, you may. May I use your phone? No, you may not. How to answer? May I use your pen? Yes, you may. May I go now, please? No, you may not. May to express possibility. The sky is cloudy. It may rain tonight. May to express possibility. John may pass the exam if he works hard. Mary is not at home. She may be working. Might possibility. She might not like the frock. Is not the style. I might be late today. My mother is ill. Might possibility. I might not be able to come. I have to meet the doctor. Take your umbrella with you. It might rain. May to express wishes and hopes. I hope you may pass the exam. I hope your mother may recover soon. May to express wishes and hopes. May he attain what he wishes. May the good luck be with you all. May to express fears. I'm afraid that something terrible may happen. I'm afraid her condition may get worse. May to express fears. I fear that my daughter may not pass the exam. I wonder he may be in trouble. May to express purpose. We work hard, we may earn a lot. We use fertilizers for trees so that we may have a good harvest. We wear face masks so that we may not get COVID-19. Must to express moral values. We must obey our teachers. We must not tell lies. We must help our parents. We must respect the elders. Must to express necessity. I'm feeling tired. I must see a doctor. I must do my homework, otherwise I will be punished. I must arrange the table. All are feeling hungry. This lesson was presented by Boosting English with Anu. This is the end of the lesson. Thank you for watching. Subscribe my channel.